Damn, I better check my left dip beam lamp and get some diesel. Open the bonnet. Turn this anti-clockwise. Wiggle this connector off. Difficult to see, but there's a metal sort of hinge. Push it up. That releases the bulb. Note the way it comes out. So the tabby bit was pointing down on mine. Confirmed she did. You will need H7s from wherever. I got these because they're 5,000 Ks whiter. Put your new bulb in, you'll need two hands, or at least not be recording. Hold the bulb in and push the clipper down at the same time so it's secure in its place, and push the connector back on the same way it came off. Are they polarity sensitive? I don't know. Don't find out the hard way. Put your cap back on. So back, yeah. Yep. LED dance.